So in the world of syndication, which is group investing, is when one person, a sponsor, also called a syndicator, also called an issuer, I'm just giving you the definitions now, an issuer, also called a fund manager, gets a bunch of people that have little money. Little is a relative term. I got people that put $2-3 million in the fund. But they have individually some money that they want to invest, and they want to get into bigger deals where the risk is lower. And guess what? They don't want to manage the deals themselves. They don't want to go talk to the bank. They don't want to talk to this. They don't want to talk to anybody. They just want their money to work for them in a safe, secure way, producing a certain cash flow. Is that good, the world out here, yes or no? Okay. Now, the sponsor could be working by himself or herself, or there could be a sponsor and a co-sponsor. So two people maybe can go in together. Why? Because there will be an exchange of value. One will raise the capital, the other will get the deals. Makes it a lot easier. Sometimes the co-sponsor is a broker. Sometimes the co-sponsor is a family member. Okay? Also called co-syndicator, issuer, or co-fund manager, etc. Now, the types of funds, you can raise money from people and offer them shares into the syndication. You can offer debt shares, or what? Good job. Equity shares. What does that mean? Equity shares, well, let's go. Debt shares could be like a fixed return. It's like somebody loaned you. That's a debt. You're with me so far? They will give you the money. They'll get a promissory note. You promise to pay them. Usually you don't pay monthly. You pay usually semi-annually, every 6 months. Boom, one payment. You pay usually interest only. So now, let's say debt shares, let's say you pay 6% on the first. Like I'll give you MIXIF, my fund. MIXIF is Medawar, my last name, Medawar International Group Secured Income Fund. You see, everything has a meaning. Medawar, because it was created for my seminar company, CMREI, Cherif Medawar Real Estate Investing. It was students that asked me to put the money with me, so I created the fund in 2009 when the market was collapsing. And they said, well, you're making money, can we go in with you? Okay. So Medawar International, because I have a lot of people like from Cancun, I have people from Canada, we have actually a Russian person, we have people from China. We'll talk to you, remind me to talk to you about money coming from offshore. I'll show you how it's very easy to bring it in. A lot of people get so confused about it. Most people have connections outside the country and don't know how to bring the money in. So easy. The US welcomes money from offshore. They don't like the money to go out. It's a whole different story. But Medawar International Group, it's a group. Secured, is this important word, yes or no? Income, and it's a fund. So people know it's secured, and it's income. They're coming in to get the income. Now, so 6%, and I say 6%, minimum share is $25,000. And you can buy fractional shares after you bought the first unit. In other words, if somebody says, Cherif, can I invest my IRA money? But absolutely. You fill out the form, so there is a private placement memorandum that actually spells out the business plan. Why are we raising the money? Where are we going to deploy the money? Who is going to manage the fund? When are we going to pay the people? And if they want out from the fund, when do they give the notice? And how soon after that do they get their money out? Everybody with me on this? I may be speaking too fast, but that's why I film it. You can rewind. And then you repeat.